So you finished your on-the-spot walk cycle and now you want to make your character move forward in space. Cool. The way to do this is by copying your character's foot control from the initial contact pose to the next contact pose when that same foot is now behind your character rather than in front. Head to the graph editor and copy the translate Z curves by hitting Ctrl+C. Remember to only select the part of the curve that are in a diagonal linear line as seen here. Then select your layout control, press S to set a key, then only selecting your Translate Z key in the graph editor, hit Ctrl+V to paste those curves in the graph editor. You should now see the animation values from the foot we selected earlier pasted onto the layout control in the graph editor. This will cause your character to move backwards. We can fix this by selecting all the keys in between the first and last key and deleting them as shown. Then we will go ahead and reverse those keyframe values in the graph editor like so. My cycle is 14 frames long, so I'm going to pull my last key from frame 15 to frame 1 and pull my key at the top from frame 1 to frame 15 like you can see on screen. This will fix your walk cycle from sliding back and have it moving forward. Now your walk cycle should move forward without having too much in the way of sliding feet. Remember to set your key to linear in the graph editor and you should be well on your way. Lastly, you want to navigate to the curves option at the top of your graph editor. Select post infinity and navigate down to the cycle with offset option, and your character should move forward throughout the rest of your animation cycle. Hope this helps. Bye!